Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joko. Present paper, the effect of learning readiness and prerequisite goals on project-based learning on certain competencies in working on the electrical machine repair project in the post-COVID-19 transition period. Introduction. The transitional conditions after COVID-19 pandemic have provided an alternative for the implementation of learning from offline learning to online learning. This condition is thought to have affected the readiness of students and rescue especially practical courses, including electrical machine maintenance and repair courses. Readiness to learn in the transition period is a student effort to participate in offline learning. Prerequisite course that must be taken. Learning model so that the expected competencies are achieved optimally. Research hypothesis there is no effect and difference of student as programmed requested goals and student as programmed prerequisite goals in PjBL to student competencies working on electrical machine repair project. There is no effect and difference between high student readiness and low student readiness in PjBL to SGWEMRP. There is no deduction effect of precondition course and student readiness on PjBL again SGWEMRP. This method, this deeper research quasi-experimented. The sample was determined through a purposive random sampling technique. Data on learning readiness and not taking prerequisite course were tabulated and analyzed using descriptive statistic technique. Hypothesis testing using SPSS-assisted two-way analysis of variance with a 5% error degree tested by an analysis quick relationship between variables. The quick PjBL research syntax, basic question, arrange project plan, arrange schedule, monitor status and progress of the project, results evaluation, and experience evaluation. Result in discussion, the table of descriptive statistic dependent variable SGWEMRP. Student readiness mean 77.1. Range 42 means 50 max 92. Fitness score above the means of the HR category are 32 and below the mean for the LSR category are 70. started. The number of SIP PC is 42 and the number of SIP PC is 17. Table of description, statistic, and of standardness score. Out of 5, 9 starting ranging from 40 and mean 50, the double test of normality. The result of the test of normality in double show that the data is normality. Is normality. Leibniz test of equality error variant not homogeneous. Not homogeneous. There is a significant effect and difference between SHPG and SHNPG on ST wave W E M and P because the shift 0.0.0. The result is study reinforced by research yeah, that there is positive relationship between student learning and conclusion. There is a significant effect and difference between SHPC and SHNPPC on SGW, EMRP, SGW, EMRP, SHPPC was significantly larger than SHNPPC. There is a significant effect and difference between HSR and LSR on SG, WEMRP, SG. WEMRPP HSR was significantly greater than LSR. There is not significant interaction effect of pre-condition course and student readiness on SGWEMRP.